Hi, this is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com. In this video, we're going to explain how to do a system restore on your laptop. If you find yourself in a situation where your system isn't operating properly or your Windows becomes corrupt, you can restore back to a certain point in date and time. These restore points are automatically created when you do a Windows update or install any new applications. To do a system restore, you simply go to your Start menu, go to Programs, choose Accessories, and choose System Tools and System Restore. In there, you'll have an automated wizard that will allow you to restore back to a certain point. It'll give you a calendar with different dates of different restore points that are possible. So follow the steps in the wizard and you will have your laptop up and running once again. This is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com.